What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bring guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and combing everything in place, making sure we have a nice and neat canvas. Now that everything's nice and laying down, we're gonna start off with our no guard all the way open, creating our first guideline. This is so that we could keep the fade a little bit lower and also contour more to his head shape. Now we're moving on to our guard effects and we're creating our second guideline underneath the no guard all the way open. Now that we're done bottoming them out, we're going to close the lever midway and all the way close and attack that initial guideline. Also, don't be afraid to stretch the skin with your opposite hand to give you more space to blend. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We're also going to use this same guard and the lever to soften up the line and get ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we're moving on to our half guard and we're going to use our lever to erase the line completely. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. If you guys want to check out my Instagram, it's going to be in the bottom right hand corner. Now we're moving on to our two guard all the way open and we're going to create our fourth guideline. And we're also going to use this same guard with its lever to soften up this line and get ready for the 1.5 guard. After softening up the line with the 2 guard all the way open, you can switch over to your 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. But sometimes there's still a faint line after using your 1.5 guard, so switching over to your 1 guard all the way open and using its corners will definitely help. Moving on to our 3 guard all the way open, we're going to try to flick out as much as possible and also use our comb to feed the hair into the clipper. This is going to help us create our silhouette and debulk the sides. Now we're going to be switching back and forth between guards, the 3 guard all the way open and the 2 guard all the way open, including the 1.5 guard. Sometimes when you're using the clipper over comb, you have to make sure that the hair is nice and saturated so that the hair go way down. and it also makes it easier to pick up with the comb. Also, when I'm using clipper over comb, I make sure my horizontal cuts are to debulk and my vertical cuts are to blend. Moving on to the sideburn and beard, we're going to start off with our no guard all the way open and then move on to our one guard all the way open. Now that we're done using the half guard, we're moving on to the 1.5 guard, and this is going to help us blend into the bulk of the beard. Now that we're done detailing the fade, we're going to move on to our Gold FX and line up the back of the beard. Moving on to his C-cups, I'm starting off at the bottom and working my way to the top arch with the corners of the blade. I'm also making sure I don't press too hard because I don't want to cut him. I'm also using my trimmers to line up his mustache, and I'm also being as gentle as possible so I don't nick him in the lip. Moving on to the bottom of the beard, we're starting off at the middle and working our way to the side. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and follow my Instagram. Moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby premium blades, we're going to make them as crispy as possible. But before we do that, we're going to apply some shave gel so that the razor could glide better. When using your razor, you want to make sure you stretch the skin as much as possible with your opposite hand, and also keep the razor at a 45-degree angle. This lowers the likelihood of you cutting someone.